everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you me getting ready for school and my everyday makeup. And first I use this concealer from Essence as a foundation kind of. I use it all over my face to cover everything I wanted to cover, and it works pretty great for me, and it has a very beautiful finish as well. It's a healthy glow version of it. Then I use the Essence powder to set everything because my skin, it usually gets oily throughout the T-zone, and I definitely don't want that throughout the day. Then using this contouring shade, I put a little bit of it in my cheekbones and on my nose and on my forehead, and with this small stapling brush, and then I will take a larger brush and just blend everything out and kind of warm the face up as well. It's just something to bring color back into my face because I don't really use blush because my face is quite red on itself. I did my eyebrows off camera because I was very afraid to mess this up, and then I use highlighter on my cheekbones and on my cupid's bow and just on the tip of my nose. I don't put it all the way like on the bridge of my nose because throughout the day my nose gets oily and shiny anyway, so I don't really need that. And this is it. This was the quickest ever video, but this is literally my real life makeup routine that I do every single day, and I love you. Bye!